Okay, so like, I'm sorry. For the 13th time today, we started a YouTube video. Yeah, you get, I mean,
like filming.
What? It's not like magma! Cacti, why are you not made of magma? You know, cactus around your house is better than magma. Because, you know, you can just hold down shift when you're on magma. By the way, I made a little mistake. Like, I restarted because, like, well, you probably never even saw it. Like, if I have to, like, do the mistake again, I should just go back into a YouTube and watch whatever I was watching. Well, you guys could see it. I mean, I was 11 minutes into my video. Come on, it was, like, good. It was going to be a good video. Come on. Woo, 51 seconds in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A minute! There you go. This is the first time I've had. What is wrong? I'm sneaky. When you sneak, you don't usually scare things away. Screw my little stupid looking sticks and all the other stuff.
Screw you.
Tell me something about myself. Tell me something that I didn't know about myself, please. I think, like, not having pants was a bad idea because it's almost nighttime. You know, I'm just gonna wait until nighttime and fight the mobs. Even though I'm gonna be, like, way more laggy because, oh my gosh, I can't even hit the buttons. Nope. Well, love the music that I found out that my mom was watching.
It's cool that you're.
Oh my gosh, what did you say? Imagine Dragons? I'm sorry about that insult that my big sister just told you. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Imagine Dragons. I know you're a YouTube channel.
This is a lame name.
Sorry for that insult again. It was my big sister, not me.
Well, I like the music. It's not a lame name.
What do you mean? Oh, you're right. You got a point. I mean, I wish it was Image Dragons. That's what I used to always call it. I'm not insulting you. I'm gonna eat this mutton because sheeps are ugly. Also, if any zombie wants... Never mind, I don't want a zombie to have mutton because they're gonna... I should give zombies rotten flesh. What? Is that a fire? Hold on. I did not even talk my... is there a fire right there? Like, you see like that, like...
Actually, he did pause the recording. He just being a liar. He lit that fire.
No. It was literally There's a husk. And there's another husk. And I'm lagging! Like, literally. What did you do? Did you just get super fat? Why am I lagging? The lag is killing me. Yeah, I have. Hold on a sec. Hold on. I'm sorry about that little, like, cut that I did inside the video. It was, like, because my mom wanted me to watch something on the TV. That's
lame TV.
When you watch this, he's gonna notice me. He's running from me, you idiotic skeleton. Yes, he can hit me, so he's not idiotic. You still look idiotic. You have no... Dude, you have no brains. Look at your head. I'm gonna die. Nope. Trying to get a skeleton fight. No, it's not working. I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. He hit the cactus. See how good these skeletons actually are. I died. Real quick. Yeah. By the way, I did turn on keep inventory because I did not want to lose all my items. It's like really horrible when you lose all your items. It's like you finally have armor, and then you just my cat's pawing me. Don't claw me, kitten. Don't claw me. Now that was really. Now that's what I call lag. It's actually really laggy. What's wrong with my CO? What's wrong? What's wrong? I'm trying to move. I'm trying to move. What's wrong? That was like really sad. Okay, here we go. I'm sleeping and it's still laggy. What? One sec. I'm gonna edit this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about a few bits of editing. I just died. Which was really sad because my armor hasn't even taken that much of a beating. And now it's time to sleep. Even though I'm still lagging. If it starts lagging again. I'm not lagging for once in my life. Kitten, hi. It was only like a 30-second or so edit. But it's a waste of your time when you waste like 30 seconds of editing. Just kidding, it was like 3 minutes actually. Good at 57:08. What? Are that creeper? Are this glitch? I want to fall out of the void! Help me! I'm 2 creepers. Look at those 3 creepers! Hey guys, creeper buddy! Oh, I want this to happen! I want it to happen! I want to go into the end! Whoa, hold on! What? Where's my... Oh, where's my body? Well, where's... What? The heck? Where's my... Is that my head? Right by the sun, is that... No, that's a... What? What? No. I'm sorry, everybody. Wait, am I falling? I'm sorry about this, everybody. Just a little bit of another time of that glitch. Oh, great. This is like another part of the time. Are this real glitch? Are this real glitch, computer? Glitch out at end. Hold on! I stopped the glitch. I'm gonna restart it. Whoa, hold on. This is too good to be real. What the? Hold on a sec. Wait, can he build? I wanna build. Hold on. Wait, can he build? Oh my god! Is this a real life glitch? I'm really actually glitching out. Hold on. Either this is the edge of the world, and I cannot go any... What? I'm glitching out again. Hi, lava. The lava's also glitching out. Is that it? Yeah, that's so that's the zombie that I've been talking about the whole time. Am I suffocating in water? What the? Well, hold on. When does clay spawn right there? Like, it's not even close to water. But I got a point. It is close. Let me fall into the void. There we go. I hope the glitch stopped. And I'm probably going to be lagging again. Like always lag when I die. Hey, good news, I'm not lagging. I take the words, never mind. I'm not lag. I don't want a zombie having my sword. What? Oh, right, the zombie below us. Yeah, I have a point. There is a zombie below us. By the way, I can actually finally be able to see where I'm going. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Stars! What? The sheep's invincible. The sheep is invincible. Yep, it's invincible. Yeah, that is pretty much invincible. You stupid sheep. I can kill you. By the way, hey sheeps, look at this! It's called mutton! It doesn't like you because you're made of it. You know why sheeps are made of mutton? Because they ate too much mutton. It's actually a good joke. I'm heard about jokes, right, kitten? Hey, good news! The snow stopped! I want to actually see if this will actually stop. No, it's not going to still. I live right by the window. I live on the computer. I actually do not live on the computer. Right now it's a Friday. There's no school, which is really fun. Can I see myself? I can see myself for once in my life. You know, I don't see any mobs, which means I can actually take off my armor. I actually really hate armor. I just like to just look like my normal self. How to resaturate my computer. It's lag. Illuminati makes my computer lag. That's why I hate Illuminati. Like, you know, the all-seeing eye Illuminati. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, I eat raw flesh at William's house. I mean, I'm not like the person that's like always a pretty pink princess.
Actually, he is.
Like, for the first time in today's video, for the 5th time in today, I might have to do this. Yeah, you saw that. Oh, there. Yes. No. It's not like judging people on their gender just because of their voice.
Actually, he is a boy. He's just fine. So you can give a girl and boys will like, and it will be more popular because all the girls are popular.
Jane, feed my computer now. Feed my computer. Feed my computer. Okay, to all the boys that were watching this, that's what I just wrote. Pretty much not. At least I don't have the stupid narrator on. Ow, what's wrong with me? So this is how I take damage. I'm just like, I don't know if I'll take damage. That did not work. I don't even have the spin button. I had to double click W. Makes it primary. See, it's like, I that glitch. I like, start taking damage in midair. It's like, dang, dang. Don't judge. So guys, don't judge people on their voice. So I actually told like everybody in my grade. See, I just started killing the squid. Is that the ocean mud? I know it's not the ocean. Bye, stupid looking squid. Yeah, I hate squids. I'm a killer. Hi, cutie. I'm a killer. Hi, cutie. Hi, cute little squid's butt. I'm a killer. I'm not gonna kill them because I hate the ink sacs in my inventory. So don't ink sacs like really? Where's my? I'm looking for like the giant skyscraper of cobblestone. I'm probably I'm close to my house. Yes, I'm close to my house. See that? I just see that piece of cobblestone that I totally didn't cover up. Like see that like right over like that plus sign, aka German airplane thingy. Not like the chaos symbol. Why does Minecraft have the chaos? Oh shoot! Let's not do that. Let's not do that again. I'm sorry about my little... What? Wait, is it normal for cobblestone to spawn like that?